Hello, my name is Mrs. Gruel. I am very glad to see you. It's nice to meet you, and I hope you will enjoy today's English lesson. The step, a golden treasure. Now please read the lesson objectives. Look at the pictures. Imagine you are on the step. What can you see? How do you feel? The following statements may help you. I can see and I feel. Good job, good job. I'm sure you can handle a fresh vocabulary. Please repeat after me new words and phrases. Check these words. Adopt, adopt. Agricultural, agricultural. Birthplace, birthplace. Challenge, challenge. Critically endangered, critically endangered. Phase, generation, generation. Habitat, habitat. Harsh, harsh. Identity, identity. Natural resources, natural resources. Plain, plain. Preserve, preserve. Raw materials, raw materials. Recognizable, recognizable. Respect, respect. Shape, shape. Shelter, shelter. Stunning, stunning. Wildlife, wildlife. Well done! Now please read the title of the text in your exercise book at page number 6. Don't forget to answer. Why is this step important to Kazakh people according to the author?
The step, a golden treasure. Imagine standing alone on an open plain under a clear blue sky. A grass ocean stretches for miles, as far as the eye can see, and there is not another person in sight. This is the stunning view of the most recognizable landscape of Kazakhstan, the steppe. The Kazakh steppe covers almost 804,500 square kilometers and makes up 1/3 of the country. One of the most extreme environments in the world, this wild, harsh grassland has no natural shelter from the strong winds and bitter cold that come from the north. Temperatures in the winter drop to a freezing -35 degrees Celsius, and in the summer it can get as hot as 35 degrees Celsius. Despite the difficult climate, the steppe is a treasure of agricultural products and natural resources. From meat, milk, grain and vegetables, to the raw materials for industry, such as coal, zinc and lead, it provides everything necessary for Kazakhstan's cities. The steppe is also the habitat of a lot of different unique species of wildlife, from the steppe pika to the critically endangered saiga antelope. The steppe winds even bring fresh, clean air that clears away the pollution in the cities. The steppe is the birthplace of Kazakh culture. The difficulties people face throughout the years living on the steppe and adapting to its environment and temperatures shaped their deep respect for nature. But like a lot of places in the world, the steppe now faces the challenge of climate change. However, the importance of the steppe to their identity continues to inspire the Kazakhs to preserve it for future generations.
You may apply the following statement. The step is important because it is and provides for Kazakhstan's cities. I absolutely agree with you. You do a great job, so it won't be difficult to you to pass the next. Please read the text again and decide if the sentences are true, false, or doesn't say.
The steppe, a golden treasure. The Kazakh steppe is one of the most extreme environments in the world. This wild, harsh grassland has no natural shelter from the strong winds and bitter cold that come from the north. Temperatures in the winter drop to a freezing -35 degrees. And in the summer it can get as hot as 35 degrees. Despite the difficult climate, the steppe is a treasure of agricultural products and natural resources. In fact, it provides everything from meat, milk, grain and vegetables to raw materials for industry such as coal, zinc and lead. The steppe is also the habitat of a lot of unique species of wildlife, from the steppe pika to the critically endangered saiga antelope. The steppe is the birthplace of Kazakh culture. The people living on the steppe had to face many difficulties throughout the years. They gradually learned to adapt to its environment and temperatures. The difficulties they faced shaped their deep respect for nature. The importance of the steppe to the identity of the Kazakh people continues to inspire them to preserve it for future generations.
Proud of you. Let's relax. How about dancing? Sounds great.
Yes!
up the good work. Do you think today's lesson will help you soon? Cross or tick? Did you get the gist of learning animals and their habitats? Cross or tick? May these skills help you to provide an information to your friends. Cross or tick? Over to you. Read the text and complete the gaps with the correct words derived from the words in bold. You can use your dictionary, paper or digital. Thank you for your attention. Good luck. See you soon.